Why do 13% of Americans live near Canada? Let's dive into the states that share the border. Alright, first up, Alaska. It's way up there and it's got the longest border with Canada. Next, Washington State, known for its coffee and close ties with British Columbia. Moving on to Idaho, where you can literally see Canada from some mountaintops. Montana, the big sky country, has a huge chunk of the border too. Then there's North Dakota, where the border is a straight line wonder. Minnesota, famous for its lakes, also cuddles up to Canada. Michigan's Upper Peninsula gives it a double whammy of water and Canadian neighbors. And let's not forget Ohio. Just kidding, Ohio's not on the list. But New York is, with its iconic Niagara Falls connecting the two countries. Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine are our final stops, offering cozy, scenic routes to our friends up north. So, how many of these states have you visited? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.